Is this class 2C? Yes. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I see our class is doesn't being tidy up yet. Now, please stand up all. From the first group until the third group, please stand up all. Okay, now please tidy up your table. Make it strident from the first until the last row. Okay. Make it strident. Stride the table from the first until the last row. Okay, have you finished? Okay, good. Now please sit down all. Okay, students of class 2C, what is our lesson now?
Our lesson now is reading.
Please say it loudly. What is our lesson now?
Our lesson now is reading.
Okay, our lesson now is reading. As we know, we are now in 7th of Sha'ban 1442. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. And as we know also that this date is coincided by 20 of March 2021. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and as we know that your real teacher in this period is Mr. Hadi Alatas. Is that true?
Yes.
And as we know also that our real teacher in this lesson is Mr. Abdullah Nizar. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, now please allow me for substitute them for teaching this lesson in this period. Okay? Okay, before we going to the new lesson, I would like to tell you something as the preface of this lesson. Okay, now please look at the television. I would like to show you a picture. Please look at carefully. Okay, please look at the television. Okay, you, Noval Hanif, what picture is that? What country there in the picture?
Malaysia.
Okay, Malaysia. That is the Malaysian map picture. Okay, you Kevin, what picture is that?
Malaysia.
Malaysian? Okay, Malaysian map picture. Okay, follow after me. Malaysian map picture.
Malaysian map picture.
Malaysian map picture.
Malaysian map picture.
Okay, I'll give you some question. Okay, I'll give you some question. The first question: can we go to Malaysia? Okay, you. Can we go to Malaysia? Can you go to Malaysia? Yes or not? Can you go to Malaysia? Yes, good. We can go to Malaysia. Okay, we can go to Malaysia. The second question: by what we can go to Malaysia? By what we can go to Malaysia? Okay, Mr. Novianto, please. By what we can go to Malaysia? Can you go to Malaysia by bus? Of course not. Because what? Because between Indonesia and Malaysia there a sea. Okay? Okay. So by what you can go to Malaysia? By an?
Plane.
Okay, by an airplane. Okay, look at the picture. We can go to Malaysia first by plane, okay? And the second, please, Mr. Chesta, by what we can go to Malaysia? By plane. And the second by? Can you? Okay. Who can answer it? Okay, Mr. Alif Faiz, please. Okay, good. We can go to Malaysia first by plane and the second by ship. Okay? Okay, now the third question. The third question is when we can go to Malaysia? When we can go to Malaysia? Who knows? Mr. Raya Panji? When we can go to Malaysia? What? Anytime. Can we go to Malaysia when we still study in the boarding school? Yes? Yes? You can go out when you still study in this boarding school? Can you go out? No, of course. You will get the bald hair when you get out from the boarding school. Understand? So, who can answer it? When we can go to Malaysia? Who knows? You, please. Okay, good. We can go to Malaysia in holiday. Why? Because in holiday we have no activities to do except playing or traveling. Okay? Understand all?
Yes.
So when we can go to Malaysia? Okay, good. We can go to Malaysia in holiday. We can go to Malaysia in holiday. Okay? Okay, now before we go to our lesson, I would like to give you some new words. Okay? I would like to give you some new words. Okay, the first word is, listen carefully. Listen carefully. To spend. Okay? To spend. Listen carefully. To spend. Okay, class 2C, please follow after me. To spend.
To spend.
To spend.
To spend.
Please say it loudly. To spend.
To spend.
Okay, who knows what's the meaning of to spend? Nobody? Nobody knows? Okay, let me put it in the complete sentence. Listen carefully. I spent 5 days for traveling Malaysia. Okay, I spent 5 days for traveling Malaysia. Who knows? You, Kevin?
Menghabiskan.
Okay, good. You're right. But we call it in English language is to use the time. Okay, listen carefully. To use the time. To use the time. Listen carefully. To use the time. Okay. Okay. Now, I would like to choose one of you to make it into the complete sentence. Okay, Mr. Yardan, please. Make to spend in a complete sentence. Can you? Please, loud up your voice. I spent
5 days in America.
Okay, good. I spent 5 days in America. Please follow after me. I spent 5 days in America.
I
I spent 5 days in America. Okay, good. Now we'll go to the next word. Okay, we'll go to the next word. The next word is, listen carefully, to arrange itinerary. To arrange itinerary. Okay, to arrange itinerary. Okay, class 2C, please follow after me. To arrange itinerary. This group, to arrange itinerary. This group, to arrange itinerary. Okay, who knows what the meaning of to arrange itinerary? Please raise your hand. Who knows? Nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows. Okay, let me put it in a complete sentence. Listen carefully. When I travel to Bali, I arrange itinerary. Okay, when I travel to Bali, I'll arrange itinerary. In the first day, I will go to Kuta Beach. In the first day, I will go to Kuta Beach. And in the second day, I will go to Denpasar. Okay. Who understand? Please raise your hand. Nobody? Yes, you, Sammy?
Jadwal perjalanan.
Okay, good. We call it in other language is to make travel schedule. Okay, to make travel schedule. Okay, now please look at the television. That's what it called by travel itinerary. Okay, that's what called by the travel itinerary. Okay, now Mr. Hanif Sufyan, please put itinerary in a complete sentence. Can you? No. Okay, I'll give you the example. Before I go to Bali, I arrange itinerary. The first day I will go to Kuta Beach, and the second day I will go to Denpasar. Understand? Please, Mr. Novianto, make it in complete sentence. Can you? What's the meaning of itinerary, please? Sammy, what's the meaning of itinerary?
Jalanan.
Okay, good. What?
Jalanan.
Okay, please make it in a complete sentence. I make itinerary. Okay, please follow after me. Itinerary. Okay, Mr. Novianto, please. I make
an
itinerary before you go to where place do you want to go? Okay, who can help it? Who can help Mr. Novianto, please? Raise your hand. Mr. Alip, maybe? Can you?
Before I go to Semarang,
Okay.
I arrange itinerary.
Okay, good.
There's one
In the first day,
in the first day.
good.
I go to Simpang Lima.
Okay, good. In the first day, you go to Simpang Lima, and the second day?
In the second day, I go to Java Mall.
Okay, good. In the second day, you go to Java Mall. Okay, understand all? Yes. Okay, we go to the third word. Okay, we go to the third word. Listen carefully. Floating. Floating. Listen carefully. Floating. Okay, class 2C, please follow after me. Floating.
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 Okay, who knows the meaning of floating? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you know the meaning of floating. Please? Nobody? Okay, I'll give you an example. I buy an iced tea. Okay, you know iced tea? In the comparison, there is iced tea. You know iced tea. I buy an iced tea. In the surface of the tea, there is the ice. Okay, the ice is floating on the top of the tea. You know, this is the ice and this is the tea. The ice is floating on the top of the tea. You know. So, who knows the meaning, please? You, Mr. Tegar? Okay, good. But we call it in another language, in another English language, is to stay on surface of water. To stay on surface of water. Okay? Okay, please follow after me. To stay on surface of water.
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 Mr. Hazel, what's the meaning of floating? Yes, what do we call in English language?
To stay on surface of water.
Okay, good. Mr. Fareza, please. What's the meaning of floating in English language? To stay on surface. Please follow after me. Surface. Surface. Okay, good. Everybody follow after me. Surface.
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 Okay, good. Mr. Matthew, can you put it in the complete language?
I see shark floating in the sea.
Okay, good. You see shark floating on the sea. Okay, maybe that shark is dead. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, if you understand all, we will go to the next word or the last word. Listen carefully, please. Listen carefully. The last word is pristine. Pristine. Okay, listen carefully. Pristine. Okay, everybody follow after me. Pristine.
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 Mr. Bintang, pristine. Pristine. Noval Haidir, pristine. Pristine. Okay, good. Okay, who knows what the meaning of pristine? Nobody knows? Okay, I'll give you an example. Please look at the television. This is an island. Okay, you know island?
Yes.
Java is an island. Okay, this is an island. When the island still green and the beach still being naturally and the sea is still blue, it called by pristine. When in the island there are no buildings in the island, it called by pristine. When there are no buildings in the island, it called by pristine. There are no your mother's home or our family home in that island, so it called by pristine. When in that island many animals still live there, it called by pristine. Okay, who knows what the meaning of pristine? Please. Mr. Fariza, maybe? You know? No? Java Island is not a pristine island. Why? Because there are many buildings here. There are mall, hospital, and the other. But that island still pristine because there is no building there. Okay? Mr. Hanif, do you understand? What's the meaning, please? Can you? Okay, who knows? Please raise your hand. Okay, Mr. Alip. Okay, good. What? Mr. Alip, please say it loudly. Okay, good. Do you hear all? Yes. Okay, good. But we said in English language is still natural. Okay? Still natural. Okay, class 2C, please follow after me. Still natural.
Still natural.
Still natural.
Still natural.
Still natural.
Still natural.
Mr. Kaka, still natural. 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 Okay, everybody follow after me. Natural.
Natural.
Okay, good. Okay, now you please put pristine in a complete sentence. Can you? Cannot. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, I'll give you an example. The Solomon Island is a pristine island. You know Solomon Island? The Solomon Island is a pristine island. Why? Because there are no buildings there. Okay, there are no buildings there. It's a pristine island. You understand? Okay, Mr. Hani, please put it in a complete sentence. Please give one example of an island and do it with a pristine island. Please. Can you? I'll give you an example. Java Island is not a pristine island. Okay? Java Island is not a pristine island. Okay, please. Give me another example. Can you? Maybe Kalimantan Island or Sumatra Island? Can you? Okay, I'll give you the another example. Sumatra Island is not a pristine island. Okay, please change the island only. Please change the island only. Okay, maybe who can help Mr. Hanif? Please. Yes, Sammy.
I go to pristine Iceland,
Okay, what's the name of pristine island?
Kalimantan.
Okay, good. I go to pristine island and it is Kalimantan. Okay, good. Okay, understand all?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand these words, now we will go to our chapter, and it is holiday in Malaysia. Okay, I'll explain you. Please listen it carefully. On the holiday, you know holiday?
Yes.
On year-end holiday, Umar Karim plans to travel to Malaysia. Okay, Umar Karim's would like to travel to Malaysia. Okay, Umar Karim's will go to Malaysia. He will stay in hotel for 5 days and 5 nights. Okay, he will stay in a hotel in Malaysia for 5 days and 5 nights. He will stay in a hotel in Malaysia for 5 days and 5 nights. Okay, Mr. Fariza, how many days will Umar Karim stay in Malaysia?
5 days, 5 nights.
Okay, good. He will stay in Malaysia for 5 days and 5 nights. Umar Karim and his family will go to Malaysia by a plane. You know plane?
Yes.
Yes. They will go to Malaysia by plane. Look at the picture. They will go to Malaysia by plane. For not being confused. Who knows confused? Who knows the meaning of confused? Nobody knows. Okay. For not being confused. Confused is like this. Where will I go after I travel in Semarang? I will go to Simpang 5 or Java Mall or Tugu Muda. Simpang 5, Java Mall, Tugu Muda. Simpang 5, Java Mall, Tugu Muda. Where will I go? Where should I go? It's called by confused. You understand?
Yes.
Yes. Maybe Kevin, what's the meaning of confused?
Pilihan.
Confused. Confused.
Yes.
Who knows the meaning? Yes, you? Okay, good. Please say it loudly. Okay, good. This that we called by confused. For not, for not being confused, for the place for travel after he arrived in Malaysia, Umar arranged itinerary. Okay, you understand? Umar arranged itinerary for not being confused after arrived in Malaysia, or Umar making the travel schedule for not being confused when we arrive in Malaysia. Understand? Yes. Okay. The itinerary is, in the first day, Umar will go to a famous twin tower in Kuala Lumpur City. In the first day, Umar will go to a famous twin tower in Kuala Lumpur City. Okay, who knows what the meaning? Who knows what's the tower is? What's the name of the tower in Kuala Lumpur City? Mr. Bintang, what's the name of the tower in Kuala Lumpur City? Please look at the picture. What's the name? Can you? Okay, Mr. Hanif, please.
Petronas Twin Tower.
Okay, good. It's Petronas Twin Tower. But don't see your paper yet, okay? Don't see your paper. Please put your paper in your drawer. Okay. It's called by a Petronas Twin Tower. Listen carefully. Petronas Twin Tower. Okay, follow after me. Petronas Twin Tower. Petronas Twin Tower. Okay. It's a high tower. You know height? It's a high tower. Okay, Sammy, please stand up. Sammy, please stand up. And Mr. Hanif, please stand up. You, yes. Sammy is short. And Mr. Hanif is high. Mr. Hanif is higher than Sammy. Okay? You understand all? Okay, please sit down. Please sit down. Mr. Hanif, please sit down. Okay. It's a high tower with 88. Okay? 88 floors. You know floors? Yes. Okay. This is the first floor. And Surya second floor is there. You understand? Yes. Okay. It's a high tower with 88 floors. And the first tower and the second tower are connected by a sky bridge. Understand? The first tower and the second tower are connected by a sky bridge. Okay, please look at the picture. That's what we called by sky bridge. You know? Okay, Mr. Raya, please. What name of the connector between the first tower and the second tower? What's the name of the connector? Please. Sky? Okay, please follow after me. Sky bridge. Sky bridge. Sky bridge. Sky bridge. Sky bridge. Sky bridge. Mr. Testa, sky bridge. Sky. Sky bridge. Sky. Okay, good. It's connected by a sky bridge. Okay. Okay, we go to the second day. Okay. In the first day, Umar Karim will go to Petronas Twin Tower. And in the second day, Umar Karim will go to Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque. Okay, listen carefully. In the second day, Umar Karim will go to Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque. Floating Mosque. You know floating mosque? Nobody knows? Okay. Please look at here. This is the Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque. Why it's called by floating mosque? Because the mosque is floating on the top of the water. Okay, you know? Because the mosque is floating on the top of the water. You know? What's the meaning of floating? To stay on surface of water. So the mosque is floating on the water. You know? Okay, good. Okay, Mr. Fahri, please. Where will Umar go in the second day? Tanjung
Tanjung Bunga.
Tanjung Bunga.
Floating masjid.
Floating
Floating masjid.
Floating mosque. Follow after me. Mosque.
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 Okay, everybody follow after me. Mosque. 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 Okay, Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque. Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque. Okay, good. Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque is a big, beautiful mosque. You know beautiful? Yes. Mr. Hanif is not beautiful. He is handsome. But his sister is beautiful. You know? Beautiful? Yes. This class is beautiful because there are many wallpaper here. You know? Okay, good. If the class is dirty, it is not beautiful. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. And Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque is a big and beautiful mosque that floatings on the top of the water. Understand? Okay, good. We go to the we go to the third day. We go to the third day. In the third day, Umar Karim will go to Manukan Island. Please listen carefully. In the third day, Umar Karim will go to Manukan Island. Please look at the picture. This is the Manukan Island. Okay? Mr. Chesta, where will Umar go in the third day? We'll go to
We'll go to air.
to
Air.
Manukan Island.
Manukan Island.
Follow after me. Manukan Island.
Manukan Island.
Manukan Island. Okay, Mr. Hanaf, Manukan Island.
Manukan Island.
Where will Umar go in the third day? Umar will go to
Umar go.
What's the name? What's the name of the island? Please. We'll go to Manukan Island.
Manukan Island.
Please follow after me. Manukan Island.
Manukan Island.
Okay, where will Umar go in the third day? Umar will go to
Go to Manukan Island.
Okay, good. Umar will go to Manukan Island in the third day. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. The Manukan Island is a famous island. It's a famous island. You know famous?
Yes.
Yes. You understand? Katy Perry is a famous singer. Okay? And Tegar is not famous because he's still a student. You understand?
Yes.
Katy Perry is a famous singer and Tegar is not being famous. But in the future, maybe he will be famous. Okay? Amen. Okay. The Manukan Island is a famous island. Why? Because Manukan Island is pristine. You know pristine? Still natural. And the second, because Manukan Island have a sandy beaches. You know sandy beaches? Please look at the picture. This, what we call by sandy beaches. Okay? Sandy beaches. Why? Because in the beach, it's just sand all over the beach. Nothing land there. Okay, you know? And the last, it is being famous because there is a blue sea. There are a blue sea all over the island. You understand? Okay, good. So, Umar will do some activities in Manukan Island. Understand? Umar will do some activities in Manukan Island. Listen, the first activities is snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay, who knows? What's the meaning of snorkeling? Maybe? Yes, you please. What's your name? Akil Izul. Okay. What? No, snorkeling is you get dive to the sea. You know? Okay, good. Please say it loudly. Okay, good. That's what we call by snorkeling. Okay, follow after me. Snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay, good. Look at the picture. It names by snorkeling. Okay? Okay, Mr. Inzaghi. Please, what is the first activity that Umar will do in Manukan Island? He will get. Okay, good. He will get snorkeling. Mr. Bintang, what's the first activity will Umar do in Manukan Island? Okay, good. He will get snorkeling. Okay, now the second activities. The second activity, I'm sorry. The second activity is surfing. Please listen carefully. Surfing. Okay, who understand? What's the meaning of surfing? Okay, Mr. Kaka. Okay, good. Okay, everybody follow after me. Surfing. Surfing. Okay, now please look at the picture. That's what we call by surfing. You understand? Yes. Okay, good. Now we go to the third activity. After get surfing, Omar Karim will go speedboating. Speedboating. Who understand? What's the meaning of speedboating? Nothing? Okay, please follow after me. Speedboating. Speedboating. Mr. Faris, speedboating. Mr. Raya, speedboating. Mr. Alvin, speedboating. Speedboating. Okay, good. Speedboating. Please look at the picture. That's what it called by speedboating. You understand? Yes. So, what is the first activity that Umar will do in Manukan Island? Snorkeling. Okay. The second? Surfing. And the third is? Speedboating. Mr. Alip, what's the first activity? Snorkeling. He will go snorkeling. Okay? He will go snorkeling. And the second is? Surfing. Mr. Tegar, what's the third activities? What is the third activity?
Speedboating.
Okay, good. Speedboating. Everybody, speedboating. Okay. After that, Umar will come back to Indonesia and study in his school more. Okay? After he will do this third activity, he will come back to Indonesia and study in his school. Understand? Okay. Maybe it's enough from my story. And now, please take out your reading article. Please take out your reading paper, please. Okay, have you taken it all? Have you taken it up all? Have you? Please? Okay, good. Now, please listen carefully. I will read the article, okay? I will read the article. You, please listen carefully. Lesson 16. Holiday in Malaysia. On year-end holiday this year, Umar Karim plans to spend his holiday in Malaysia. With his family, he will go to Malaysia by plane. They will stay for 5 days and 5 nights in hotel. Umar arranges itinerary. First, he will visit a famous tower in Kuala Lumpur City, the Petronas Twin Tower. The towers have 88 floors, and the 2 towers are connected by a sky bridge. Second, he will visit the Tanjung Bunga floating mosque in Kinabalu City. It is a big, beautiful mosque that floats on the top of the water. Finally, Umar will go to Manukan Island. Finally, Umar will go to Manukan Island. This island is famous for its pristine blue sea and sandy beach. He wants to go snorkeling, go surfing, and go speedboating in Manukan Island. Okay, have you listened it? Yes. Okay, good. Now I will choose one of you to read in front of your friend. Okay, Mr. Raya, please stand up and read the article.
On year ends holiday this year, Umar Karim
Please read the title. Read the title.
holiday in Malaysia.
Okay, good.
On year end holiday this year.
This year.
This year.
Stop. On year-end holiday this year. Please follow. On year-end holiday this year.
On year end holiday this year, Umar Karim plans to spend his holidays in Malaysia with his family. He will go to Malaysia by plane.
Okay, stop. Please sit down. Okay, Mr. Fariza, can you continue? He will go to Malaysia by plane. Please continue. He will go to Malaysia by plane. Please continue. Can you?
He will go to Malaysia by plane.
Okay.
He will stay for 5 days and 5 nights in a hotel.
Please stop. 5 days. 5 days.
5 days.
5 days and 5 nights. Okay? There's S there. Okay? Okay, please. Repeat. They will.
They will stay for 5 days and 5 nights in a hotel.
Okay, good.
Umar arranges itinerary. First, he will.
Stop. Umar arranges itinerary.
Umar arranges itinerary.
Okay, good. Please continue.
Umar arranges itinerary. First, he will visit a famous tower in Kuala Lumpur City.
Stop. He will visit a famous. Fariza, please follow after me. Famous. Okay, good.
First, he will visit a famous tower in Kuala Lumpur City, the Petronas Twin Tower.
Okay, stop. Mr. Hanif, please continue. The Petronas Twin Tower. Please continue.
The towers have 88 floors and the two towers are connected by a sky bridge.
Okay, stop. There is no after the towers have. Okay, please repeat it.
The tower have 88 floors and the two towers are connected by a sky bridge.
Okay, stop. Connected. Okay, please repeat. Firstly, the towers have.
The towers have 88 floors and the two towers that connected by a sky bridge.
Okay, good. Please stop. Mr. Novalani, please continue it.
Second, I will visit the Tanjung Bunga floating mosque in Kinabalu City.
Okay, please stop. Please listen to me. Second, he will visit the Tanjung Bunga floating mosque in Kinabalu City. Okay, please repeat after me, please.
Second, he will visit the Tanjung Bunga floating mosque in Kinabalu City.
Okay, please continue.
It is a big, beautiful mosque that floats on top of the water.
Okay, good.
Finally, Umar will go to Manukan Island.
Okay, please stop. Okay, Mr. Faris, please continue.
This island is famous for its pristine blue sea and sandy beach.
Okay, please stop. Famous. Okay, please repeat it. From this island.
This island is famous for its pristine blue sea and sandy beach.
Okay, good.
He wants to go snorkeling, go surfing, and go speedboating in Manukan Island.
Okay, good. Understand all? Yeah. Understand. Okay, now I want you all to read this article by a low voice. You know low voice? This is a high voice and this is the low voice. You know? Okay, I want you all to read this article by a low voice. And if you find the difficult word, please ask it to me. You know, if you find the difficult word, please ask to me. Okay, now please read all. Mr. Farza, please read. Mr. You please read it firstly. Finish, Kevin? Finish. Okay, please stop reading. Please stop reading. Okay, anybody find the difficult word? Please raise your hand. Nobody find the difficult word. Okay, maybe you all understand. Okay, have you understand all? Yes. Okay, good. Now please close your book, or I'm sorry, please close your paper or put it in the drawer. Put it in the drawer. Put your paper in your drawer. Okay, now please listen to me. Okay, please listen to me. I will read what have I write in the whiteboard. Okay, please listen carefully. Holiday in Malaysia. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. Holiday in Malaysia. To spend, to use the time, to arrange itinerary, to make travel schedule. Floating, to stay on surface of water. Pristine, still natural. Okay, I repeat the second time. Holiday in Malaysia. To spend, to use the time, to arrange itinerary, to make travel schedule. Floating, to stay on surface of water. Pristine, still natural. Okay, if you understand. Okay, Mr. Kevin, please read it.
Holiday in Malaysia.
Good.
To spend, to use the time.
Please stop. To use the time.
To use the time.
Okay, good. Please continue.
To arrange itinerary.
Please stop. Itinerary. Okay, good. Please continue.
To make travel schedule.
Okay, good.
Floating, to stay on surface of water.
Okay.
Pristine, still natural.
Okay, still natural. Okay, understand all?
Yeah.
Okay, now please take out your notebook, please. Please take out your notebook. Notebook, not the paper article. Okay, now please write what have I write in the whiteboard. Please write it. Okay, please take your notebook and your pen and please write what is on the whiteboard. Please write the title, okay? Write the title, Holiday in Malaysia. Okay, beside writing, I would like to read you all the attendance sheet, okay? I'll read you all the attendance sheet. Who call name? please raise your hand without any voice. Please raise your hand without any voice. Wildan Bahtiar Hakim, Kevin Atta, Bintang Dwi Ramadan, Tegar Lafran Jada, Semidok Mawel, Raya Panji Ardana, Devin Maulana Aryo Bimoseno, Cesta Imad, Hanif Sufyan, Ahmad Noval Aziz. Oke, go home. Raffi Ardi, Rehan Surya, Novianto, Noval Haidir, Yardan Rasendria, Arman Rizky, where is? Watchman, okay, watchman. Ilham Maulana Inzaghi, Raffi Maulana, Renan Agnio, Fareza, Farizaki, Maulida Nur Muhammad Fatani, Alvin Mariano, Akil Izul, Ataraya, Hanif Nursaka, Faris Macio, Ahnaf Syaiban, Naval Hanif, Al Rifki Anggoro, Alif Faiz, Hazel Jaffer, you please. Okay, who have finished? You finish? Okay, who have finished? Have you finished all? Yes? Yes. Who doesn't finish? Please, quickly. Please write it quickly, please. Mr. Hazel, have you finished? Okay, good. Okay, now where's Mr. Fatoni? You, please read what you write on your notebook.
Days in Malaysia.
Okay, good.
To spend.
To
spend.
Okay, good. To spend.
To use the time.
Okay.
To arrange itinerary.
Stop. To arrange.
To arrange.
Okay, good.
To arrange itinerary.
Okay.
To make travel schedule.
Okay.
Floating. To
Stop.
stay.
Floating.
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 Okay. Please continue.
Floating. To stay on surface of water.
Okay, good.
Pristine.
Christian.
Still natural.
Okay, good. Mr. Hazel, please read what you write on your notebook.
To spend, to use the time. To arrange itinerary, to make travel schedule.
Okay.
Floating, to stay on surface of water. Pristine, still nature.
Okay, good. Now, have you written all? Okay. Now, please take out your paper. Please take out your paper. Please open your book, your notebook, and please take out your paper. Okay? Now, please read your notebook and your paper and prepare for the question from me. Okay? Please read your paper and your notebook. Please read your paper and your notebook and prepare for the question from me. Okay, you understand? Okay, read it, please. Please remember the vocabularies, okay? Please remember the vocabularies. Okay, finish. Now please put your notebook on the drawer. Notebook, only notebook. And the paper stay on the table. Please put your notebook on the drawer. Finish? Okay, now Mr. Alvin, please read the article.
Holiday in Malaysia.
Good.
On year-end holidays this year, Umar Karim plans to spend his holidays in Malaysia.
Okay.
With his family, he will go to Malaysia by plane. They will stay for 5 days and 5 nights in hotel. Umar arranged itinerary.
Stop. Please, Mr. Alif, continue it.
First, we will visit a famous tower in Kuala Lumpur City, the Petronas Twin Towers. The towers have 88 floors and the towers are connected by a sky bridge. Second, we will visit the Tanjung Bunga floating mosque in Kinabalu City. It's a big, beautiful mosque that floats on the top of the water. Finally, Umar will go to Manukan Island.
Stop. Please, Mr. Raya, continue.
This island is famous for its pristine blue sea and sandy beach.
Stop.
You want
Island.
island.
Okay. Please continue.
You want to go snorkeling, go surfing, and go speedboating in Manukan Island.
Okay, good. Now, please put your paper in your drawer. Put your paper in the drawer. Okay, now I'll ask you some questions. Please answer it, okay? Please answer it. Please listen carefully. Where will Umar go in his holiday? Mr. Fariza, please. In his holiday, Umar will go to? Okay, good. The next question is, by what he will go to Malaysia? Mr. Bintang, by what Umar will go to Malaysia? By a plan. Okay, good. Okay. How many days they will stay in Malaysia? Mr. Rafi Ardi, please. How many days? Please, can you? How many days? You cannot. Please stand up firstly. Okay, Mr. Akil, how many days will Umar stay in Malaysia?
5 days.
Okay, good. Mr. Adi, have you listened it? Please say it loudly.
5 days.
5 days. You?
Days.
What?
5 days.
Umar will stay in Malaysia for?
5 days.
Okay, good. Please sit down. Okay, the next. What is the first destination where will Umar go in Malaysia? Mr. Yardan. Please say it loudly. He will go to? The first destination. The first. Can you? No, please stand up. Mr. Chesta, stand up firstly. What's the first destination will Umar go in Malaysia? What? Go to? Tower. What's the name of tower? Can you? Okay, please stand up. Please stand up. Mr. Rehan Surya, please. What's the name of the tower?
Petronas Twin Tower.
Okay, good. Have you listened it? What's the name?
Petronas Tower.
Petronas
Tower.
Twin Tower. Okay, please sit down. You, what's the first destination will Umar go in Malaysia? He will go to Petronas Twin Tower. Okay, please sit down. Okay, Mr. Noval Haidir, what's the second destination will Umar go in Malaysia? Please. What? He will go to? Can you? No, please stand up. Okay, Mr. Alif, what's the second destination will Umar go in Malaysia?
The second destination is Tanjung Bunga Floating Mosque.
Tanjung Bunga
Floating Mosque.
Floating Mosque. Have you listened it? Okay, what's the second destination? Tanjung Bunga Floating mouse. Okay, please sit down. Okay, now I'll ask you about the vocabularies. Mr. Sammy. Mr. Sammy, what's the meaning of to spend?
To use the time.
Okay, good. To use the time. Okay. Mr. Faris, what's the meaning of floating? Can you? What's the meaning of floating? Can you? No, please stand up. Mr. Tegar, what's the meaning of floating?
To make,
What? To stay? What?
to stay on the top.
Okay.
Top. What water?
Okay, good. What? To stay?
on top water.
Okay, good. Mr. Faris, please listen it.
Stay on the top water.
Top of?
Water.
Please repeat. To stay?
To stay in the top water.
Okay, good. Please sit down. And the last question is, what's the meaning of itinerary? Itinerary. What's the meaning of itinerary, Mr. Hanif?
To make travel
Schedule. Schedule. To make.
travel schedule.
Okay, good. Understand all? Yes. Okay, good. Maybe it's enough for our lesson now. Under the title Holiday in Malaysia. I hope you still want to read more. Okay? Always be reading. And as we know from this title, that before we go traveling to one place, we have to make an itinerary. You know itinerary? Yes. Why? Because if we doesn't make an itinerary, we will be confused. Where will we go in that place? You understand? Okay, so you have to make an itinerary. Maybe this only from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, see you later.